Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unblur light on Tinder using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the like section. This is where Tinder shows people who have liked your profile. If the profile picture are blurred, it usually means you need Tinder Gold or Platinum to see them clearly. Then tap to unlock. If you have a Gold or Platinum, simply tap the blur photos and it will unblur, letting you see the full photo and start a conversation. There is no official free way to unblur likes, but you can still match with people you have liked by swiping right. If it's a match, you will see their profile clearly in your matching list. Finally, stay active and update your profile. Having clear photos and a catchy bio increase the chances people will like you. And that's it. Open likes you. Tap to unlock with gold or platinum or match by swiping right. Follow this step and you will see who like you on Tinder clearly on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.